Since 2001 at New Star, we've focused on managing our investors' money. With a talented and experienced investment team, a London Stock Exchange listing that gives us a market capitalization of more than $2 billion, and an ethos that encourages the training and skills development of younger investment professionals, we have become one of the leading brands in retail fund management. With every investment, there's a balance between security and opportunity. Let's look at the opportunities.
The aim of the New Star International Property Fund is to give access to direct property on an international basis. Areas that we will initially be investing in are across Europe, Central Europe, Asia and the Pacific Rim. And I think those areas give us the greatest opportunity to get that risk-reward factor.
Although the fund will have a small portion in property shares, it aims to be 80% invested in direct commercial property, which is less exposed to stock market volatility. So, how does it work?
The price of property does not move up and down rapidly. As perhaps you might see in the equity market, it evens out the returns on a well-balanced portfolio.
How does New Star identify locations where commercial property has the greatest potential for income growth?
We have a very experienced team, but we are operating in a very large global marketplace. And therefore, it was felt quite important that we should get some strong external consultancy advice as well. And we've gone to two of the major international property real estate consultancies, CBRE, who head up for us in Europe, and DTZ in Asia. They give us very valuable advice on both the marketplace and specific opportunities to acquire property.
And what does this mean for the international property fund investor?
It enables us to exploit the different economic and market cycles across countries. It also gives us the ability to balance risk and reward by investing in both established markets and in the more dynamic new economies.
Economies such as Hong Kong and Singapore, which grew at more than 6% in 2006, where prime office properties were amongst the most sought-after assets by investors.
If you look on the ground, look at central Tokyo, for example, the central business districts of Tokyo have virtually no Grade A office space available on the market, and we're beginning to see strong rental growth come through. Somewhere like Seoul, very strong economy, it's the 13th largest economy in the world. It's got GDP growth of somewhere approaching 5% last year. So, there is tremendous opportunity.
And that opportunity is also showing promise in Europe.
For example, the Benelux countries, where the initial investment return is probably better than many other parts of Europe. But I think, they're at the stage in their economic cycles where there is good potential for steady growth coming through.
While the Czech Republic and Poland look set for dynamic growth in the years ahead. But what of security? It's a key factor in any investment.
One of the main drivers of total returns from commercial property is income. And that's where we really start when we're looking at particular investments. We're looking at quality of income, which means the quality of the tenants. We're looking for blue chip tenants. And we're looking for, across our portfolio, a blend of lease expiry dates that give us a sustainable long-term income stream. Secondly then is to look for growth. And growth will come from the locations in which we're investing.
And let's not forget the stature of New Star in today's world. With more than $40 billion in funds under management, New Star is a substantial player that's primary objective is to deliver superior investment returns.
The New Star property team are committed to acting quickly and with integrity when they're looking to acquire properties. As we have the reputation for doing that, then that gives us the opportunities, because property owners and their advisors will make us the first port of call.
Experienced team, proven process, and now a truly exciting investment opportunity with the New Star International Property Fund.